Hello.
Uh,
Hello, everyone. Welcome to today's session. So, I request everyone to mute yourself and please fill the form with your questions. So, I've shared the form in the chat box. So, kindly fill the form which you can find in the chat box. I hope all of you are able to see the form link in the chat box. So, any questions you have, you can fill the form and you can submit the form. Form is in the chat box. So, please open the chat box. You can find the form link. So, I hope you have received the form link in the chat box. So, Gigi Matthew, you can unmute regarding melt and pour soap. So, you can follow the formulation which we have given for any of the melt and pour soap, be it red wine or saffron or any of the melt and pour soap. So, you can just avoid adding the color, fragrance, and red wine. So, in the place of red wine, you can use water so that you'll get a melt and pour soap base. So whenever you want to add something to it, you can melt it, add that ingredient, and you can again, it will again form into a soap.
Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, ma'am. I'm Gigi Matthew. Ma'am, I want to know that the base we make from phase B, A, and B, or phase A, B, and C.
I think in the C, we have given the active ingredients like red wine, the color, and the aroma ingredients. That alone you can avoid. Rest of the ingredients you have to make. Like
Like,
everything you have to add, same as shown in the video.
but ma'am, in phase C, we are adding that CAPB uh, and alcohol.
Alcohol, yes, that you have to add.
Okay, that we have. That is a base. That other all we have to add during making the soap.
Yes, yes.
Oh,
Oh,
okay.
if you're going to make the base, then you don't have to add the other ingredients. Just make
Okay.
the soap base. And when you can melt it and you can add the other ingredients and you can prepare the soap.
Any powder if you want to add, we can add during baking of the soup.
Yes, yes, you can do that. But
Okay.
powders, when you add, it will not mix well. So, in the water, like if you have any of the soap, you have water, you have to add the powders there only. Like you
In
can
which part
boil
of
it and
baking
filter
or?
it and add that water.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah.
That means we have to mix the powder in the water and then we have to add in the soap base.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, thank you.
So, Sonia, uh, Instead of, if you want to call your soap as paraben free, you don't want to add methyl benzoate, in that case, you can use any ready-made hydrosol. So when you use natural ingredient in high quantity, then you have to use methyl benzoate, or else it will not work. You'll get fungus. That is even more worse. So methyl benzoate is not a bad ingredient. It is a good ingredient when you use in the right quantity. So mostly people do not mention the preservative. They do not talk about the preservative. Still, they call it as paraben free because other ingredient also has paraben. So preservative, when we are using it, means that it can be paraben also. It can be any ingredient. So still you can mention it as paraben free. But if you really don't want to use methyl benzoate, in that case, don't use any natural ingredient. In the place of that, you can use hydrosol. And Kuljit
Um,
Kaur, yeah.
Ma'am, but if we use phenoxyethanol and polysorbate, then तो भी हमें पैराबेन ऐड करना ही रहेगा उसमें.
When you're using phenoxyethanol, polysorbate, and potassium sorbate and sodium benzoate, all three together, in that case, you can use maximum 10 grams of natural ingredient. I don't think more than that it will support. So that also you have to try. Every ingredient will act differently. So you make the soap or a cream or a gel, you leave it for 30 minutes, watch it like if there is any fungal reaction or anything, and then only you can sell it. But when you're using methyl benzoate, you don't have to do that testing.
30 minutes itself is 30 minutes में ही समझ में आ जाएगा that fungal infection हो रहा है या नहीं हो रहा है.
30 days.
30 days, yeah. Okay.
Okay.
And sodium benzoate and methyl benzoate is different, na?
Yeah, both are different. Methyl benzoate is what we are using. Sodium
Okay.
benzoate is food grade preservative. We should never use that. That is not enough.
Okay, and if we are using then 10 gram only natural extract we can use.
Yeah,
And
for
if we are using
other three.
and if we are using a hydrosol, then we can add these three.
Yes. Hydrosol, then you
Or
can.
only or only Iskagard and Geogard is also sufficient if adding a hydrosol.
Yes, Iskagard will also work. Iskagard is also like with Iskagard you can use hydrosol, but one thing is you can test it for 30 days. That is basic thing we do with all the products. Test it and then you can do. Only if you're using methyl benzoate, you don't have to do the testing. It will definitely be okay.
And we can say it paraben free.
Yeah, because other ingredients has parabens too. That is what they are mentioning, not the preservative.
Okay.
Yeah, okay. So, Kuljit Kaur, soap base, some simple recipe. Soap base is a product that is very difficult to make. We cannot use any recipe or anything for that. What soap base we are giving? We have given 5 types of soap base. That is what you can use. So instead of red wine, you can use any other ingredient. Instead of any powders, goat milk powder, you can use some other powder. Like that, you can change the soaps, but the quantity should be same. And Sugi, percentage calculation. Can you be specific what type of percentage calculation you want to do? Because we have given the formulation for 100 percentage we have given. So we have given all the ingredients for 100 grams, it means. So if you are going to make for 50 grams of product, you divide all the ingredient by 2, then you get the formulation for 50 grams. So if you want to make for 25 grams, you divide by 4, you get for 25 grams. That is very easy calculation that you can do. Don't confuse yourself with all the percentage calculation. That is not that much required. We have given 100 percentage, which is equivalent to 100 grams. With that, you can do all the calculation. So those of you who have
Okay,
joined,
ma'am, understand.
yes.
Okay, ma'am, I understand.
Yeah,
Thank you.
okay. Thank you. So those of you who have joined now, if you have any doubts, you can ask in the form. So in order, I'll call out the name so that you can ask your doubts directly. And Priya, Vaishnavi, Priya, we have given the vendor details. I think in fourth or fifth lesson, you can log into the course. You can see fourth or fifth lesson. We have given vendor details. They supply all the raw materials. All of them, they supply all the raw materials all over India. So you don't have to worry. They will send it to you anywhere in India. You can try SP suppliers. You can type Pioneer. They all supply all over India. And how you can sell your products, you can create an Instagram page, you can make videos in YouTube, and you can sell. You can post in Facebook Marketplace. You can create an account and you can post in Facebook Marketplace and you can sell. So there are many ways to sell the products. And Bhaktulu, how to prepare soap base. So soap base we have not given in percentage because it is a formulation that is very difficult to make. We cannot make it very easily. Soap base is something that is very difficult to make. So that is why we have given the formulation. We cannot modify even a single ingredient in soap base. It is something very difficult. That is why anyone who is teaching cosmetics, they will buy the ready-made soap base, melt it, add some ingredient, and they call it a soap. But here we are teaching soap base, which is very difficult to do already. So we cannot convert any of it. And how to make perfume last long, Vishwanathan. So we are using multiple ingredients like galaxolide is a fixative which will help the perfume to last long, and other ingredients also, the certain ingredients, the details when you go to the perfume lessons, which is not released yet. So one by one it will open, so you can see all the ingredients, what are the uses of the ingredients, which ingredient will function as what, everything we have given. So basically here we use galaxolide for the lasting fix as a fixative here. And Anjali, products where you can purchase the products. So you can purchase all the raw materials from the vendors. Supplier information we have given in the fifth lesson, I think. So kindly refer to the supplier information in the fifth lesson. So if any of you want to ask question directly, you can unmute and you can ask. When I'm reading out your question, that time you can unmute and you can ask. So, Sonia, how much time to keep for boiling once all ingredients are mixed while making gel? So how much time to boil is up to 75 to 100 degree. Until it reaches 100 degrees, the maximum. And in gel particularly, until you get a thick gel, you boil it. So it depends on the consistency. Other products like cream and yes.
Ma'am, this gel, no, I made this gel, but fungus came. I added sodium benzoate in that.
Yeah,
So
ma'am.
after 2 days, yeah, fungus came. So instead of that, shall I use Iskagat bag?
No, ma'am. Sodium benzoate is a food grade preservative. So it is
Yeah.
not
The
good
book
for.
it's on, yeah, sodium benzoate. So we bought
You have
that
to
and
use methyl benzoate, ma'am.
methyl. So Iskagat is good.
Iskagard is good for, but you cannot use any natural ingredient. You have to use hydrosol.
Okay. And cooling way method is there for making gel or a
Cooling method.
hot. Yeah, without
No,
heating, we
ma'am.
can.
That will not be stable. After sometimes it will turn into liquid.
Okay.
While adding, it will be gel, but after that, it will be a liquid.
Okay, ma'am. Okay.
Okay. So, Sonia Jain, what kind of deionized water we are using? That is meant for cosmetics. So, we have given you multiple suppliers who are specifically selling cosmetic ingredients. So, when you buy from them, they will give you cosmetic grade deionized water. So sometimes you will get industrial deionized water, which is not meant for cosmetics. And any brand tea carbomer, so tea carbomer we usually buy from Pioneer. It is very good. And water soluble fragrance oil we buy from Vijay Empix. All the details we have given in the vendor details lesson. And Aisha Syed and so Aisha, for soaps, be it cold process soap or melt and pour soap, so we cannot break the formulation. So you can
Okay, ma'am.
definitely change the oils. Like instead of coconut oil, you want to add almond oil, that you can do. But formulation, we cannot break it because we have given versatile formulation. So it will work with any oils, any change. But usually, when you go deeply soap making, usually like when you change the oil, the soap will not form. But here, the formulation which we have given, since it is beginner friendly, so you can change the oil also. It will definitely work.
And one
How
more
to
doubt, like
decide oil, ma'am?
How to decide? I mean, which oil to use, right?
Ah.
So it depends on the functionality. Thick oils you can use for like dry skin people, like coconut oil or sweet almond oil, olive oil, and all, only for dry skin people. So when you are using for oily skin people, you cannot use olive oil. You cannot use coconut oil. But almond oil you can use. Coconut oil also little quantity you can use. But jojoba oil, light oils you can use. That is how we can change and we can use.
For
ma'am,
100
will
grams soap, how much oil should be taken, ma'am? Like almond oil. Only with almond oil we can make soap right now, cold
Yes,
process soap.
yes, yes.
How many grams?
So according to the formulation, you can use.
ma'am, this
According to the formula.
phase A, B, C is there, no? So there, the same
Ma'am, your
time we have
name,
to.
sorry, your name, ma'am.
My name is Alka John. Alka.
Please post your question in the form, kindly fill the form, and when I read out your name and your question, you can ask your doubts, ma'am.
Okay,
Because
okay,
I'm
okay.
going as per the form.
Okay, okay.
Yeah. So Aisha, I hope I have answered your question, right? Any other doubt you have?
No, ma'am. Thank you.
Okay. So Jagadishwari, regarding gel preparation in the class, it was mentioned for every 100 grams, we should use 70 grams of distilled water, 30 grams of aloe vera gel. Instead of the ratio, we can use no, Jagadishwari. It will be very thick. It is not that it will not work. It will be very thick. When you use 50% water and 50% aloe vera, then it will be very thick. Then you cannot use it. So that is why we are using according to the formulation. And Jagadishwari, the problem is this last month. Most of our staffs were like in holiday because of the holiday time, summer vacation. So we have just resumed from 1st onwards. On 10th, we will be processing all the certificates. I think we have more than 150 certificates pending, which will be processed on 10th. And Kusum, yes, you can sell the cold process soaps after 2 months, not 3 months. And
Hello,
yes.
I am Somlata Rajput, ma'am.
Okay.
मैम मेरे कुछ डाउट्स थे सोप को लेकर.
Ma'am, please fill the form in the chat box, and when I call out your name, you can ask your doubt.
Ma'am, one question I have, Jagdishwari here. So
Yes.
I haven't raised this question for certificate. It's not my question, the second question.
Oh, sorry. Okay.
And one more question, ma'am. I have prepared this cold process soaps. Like after preparing, at what temperature we need to store?
After preparing the
Procuring.
soap you're asking, right?
Yes, cold process soaps.
So you can place in a dark room. It is not temperature specific. In a dark room, a normal temperature is okay. But you can keep it open for 48 hours. Then you can put it in a box and you can store it.
Okay, okay. Thank
Yeah.
you, ma'am.
Thank you. So Femina cream using powders, how much water? For cream using powders, how much water? So you can follow the formulation.
Actually, I'm using cream now. For that, I'm using for one sandal powder, red sandal powder. How much I want to add in 100 grams? That's my question. We want to add water much because my cream is becoming hard. That's why I'm asking you.
So according to the formulation, when you add, your cream is becoming thick. Is that your question?
Yes, ma'am.
So when you are making the cream itself, in the like last few minutes before you complete it, you will find it if it is thick or thin. During that time, you can add water, you can adjust. So after that, you can leave it to cool. Before, like when it is little hot, you have to decide any product, not only cream, shampoo or gel.
Okay. That time itself we want to decide when
Yeah, that time
we are.
itself you have to decide and you have to add water for any product.
Okay, ma'am. Actually, I'm thankful for you. I made my brand, my Viola, my brand. You made me my dream achievement. Thank you for everything. My sister also joined because of you.
Yeah, many congratulations on your brand. Thank you. And
Okay, thank you, ma'am.
thank you. So Kusum, NaOH for cold process soap, how to do the calculation. So as I said, in the soaps which we have given, we cannot change the formulation. We cannot do any calculation. What we have given that you have to follow, because as I said, this is beginner friendly course. So we are not going into the details. You can just follow it. But any ingredient you want to change, that is the oils, you can change with oils, powders, you can change with powders. That thing you can do, but other than that you cannot change anything. And Safia papaya face wash, papaya soap. So papaya face wash, the same kind of face wash like Uptan face wash or any face wash you take, you can use papaya powder, boil it, take the extract and you can make it. Real papaya, if you use, it will get spoiled very easily. So if you want to use real papaya only, then in the place of the extract, the same quantity of extract that you are making, you can use the papaya juice and you can make the face wash. But be sure add 1 gram of methyl benzoate along with Iscagot or any preservative we have given. Add 1 gram of the methyl benzoate, and papaya soap also the same way. So in the place of red wine, you can use papaya juice and you can make the papaya soap. So changing any ingredient and creating the product, you can change any ingredient with any like ingredient, but you have to make sure the quantity remains same. And yes, you can use different powders in face wash according to your preference. And yes, you can change goat milk powder with papaya powder. And I hope I have answered the question. Safia and Alka, is there any difference in MG or ML? No, mostly we take like ML and MG are same, so we use any of it. And Gauri, if I add neem extract or other herbal extract to melt and pour soap base, what would be the expert? So you can use any any ingredient in melt and pour soap base or cold process soap base, because melt and pour soap has alcohol in it, so you don't have to use any preservative in it. The same formulation, if you follow same quantity of ingredient, like in melt and pour, if you add in the 5 grams of neem extract or the same quantity of red wine, you add neem extract, then also the expiry date will be 3 years. But you cannot add more of neem extract. That is where the problem is. And shelf life, as I said, it will be 3 years.
Ma'am, Alka speaking. One more doubt. Melt and pour soap, no? That is A, B, and C. We are heating separately, same time. So can we do it one by one? Is it possible? Three phases are giving, no? Part A, part B, and part C.
Yes.
So they are actually in your video it is showing same time we have to do the
Yeah, because that alone has to be added when it is
both
hot.
part A, B, and C.
Yeah, it should be in the same
Okay.
temperature. That's why.
Okay.
Hi, ma'am.
Shall
This is
we?
Safia.
Hello.
Hi, ma'am. This is Safia.
Safia, please wait. Let her complete the question.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah.
So can we do anything together like part A and part C? Is it possible?
No, ma'am.
Together can we boil?
No, ma'am. That will become hard, and then you cannot two ingredients. Since we are adding alcohol, when you do that, then it will start to set. Then you cannot add another ingredients to it. That is why certain thing that to soaps alone you have to follow the video and the instructions, or else it will not work.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah.
And in cold process also while doing, no, it became so hard. Shall we wait till that, or in the middle stage itself we can pour it into what to say,
Yeah.
that soap? Yeah.
It should be in cream consistency. That's all.
Okay.
Like when
Okay.
you're making the cream, right? The same consistency you have to pour. If you still wait, then it will become hard.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, thank you.
Yes, Safia.
Hi, ma'am. Actually, today I bought all the ingredients to make sandalwood whitening cream.
Okay.
So, is it I have bought all the ingredients, but only DM water has not yet come. So, can I use distilled water instead of DM? So,
Yeah.
because DM,
Yeah, you can use.
what is the difference between DM and distilled water?
Deionized water or demineralized water will not have minerals in it. Because there will be some chemical reaction. But in our products, actually, distilled water is also okay.
Is okay. Okay, fine.
Yes.
Thank
Yeah.
you.
Thank you. Kusum, nowadays we are the video. Actually, Kusum, all the videos and the platform is used by everyone here. So in our side, there is no glitches, there is no buffering or anything. It is mainly because of the internet, because the same platform is being used by everyone. So in our previous platform in Google also we have 5,000 people, and I mean Facebook also we have 5,000 people. So another platform is also there which is being used by them. So the videos where it is stored, it is the same for everyone. So it might be the internet also, you can clear the cache also, it will work. And Safia, in face soap formula. Yes, in the place of goat milk powder, you can replace with papaya powder or any other powder. And Archana, so Archana, as I said, the certificate in our academy, our staffs were off. They were not working in the month. I mean, last month, they have gone for summer vacation. They have just come that is from yesterday, they have started working. So on 10th, definitely all the certificates, almost 150 certificates are pending. It will be processed on 10th, and it will be dispatched by 11th or 12th, and you will receive it soon. So So, Bhaktulu, the expiry date of the product in all the product that we are using methyl benzoate, the expiry date of the product will be close to 3 years. So, how we will decide is based on the expiry date of the preservative that we are using. So, if you buy the methyl benzoate and the expiry date of methyl benzoate is maybe December 2027. Then the expiry date of the product is also December 2027. So, market lotion is thin, moisturizer is thick. The cream that we use also, if you want to make it thick, reduce the amount of water. So, if we are adding 30 ml of water and you have made a cream, it is thick. But you want to make it a little thin, then you add little water. So, if you want to make it more thick, then you reduce water, you use only 27 ml of water, then the product will be little thick. And lotion also same way. What we have given, if you feel it is thick, then add little water. When you have to add the water in the last phase. So before adding the preservative, you have to check if the product consistency is good, if it is thick or thin, if it is enough for us. So it depends on person to person, right? For me, my moisturizer, I want it more thick. Some of you want your moisturizer to be little thin. So based on your like how outcome, how you want the consistency, how you want, accordingly you can adjust the water in the last phase. And yes,
But if we add water in the last phase, so it is not heated up to the temperature of the 50 to 70 degrees centigrade. It will not get spoiled.
no, before adding the preservative, before that we will be adding little water, mix it. You use a blender, mix it, adjust the consistency, then you add the preservative, everything will be set.
Okay.
Yeah. So if you are going to add 10 ml of water, then what you have to do? 1.1 ml of preservative. Because for 100 ml of product, 100 grams of product, we are adding 1 ml of preservative. So if you're the formulation also we have given for 100 grams only. But you're going to add extra 10 ml of water. In that case, the product will be 110 grams. So you have to add 1.1 gram of preservative.
Okay.
Yeah. So a natural color will leave after some time. Yes, definitely natural color is not permanent. It will fade away in sometimes. That is why whenever you add any natural color, you add non-dispersion liquid colors. Few drops of non-dispersion liquid colors so that the natural color also like even if it fades, we'll still have the color. And so fragrance will be there. If you feel that fragrance is not enough, then you can use cold process soap. The fragrance that we get for cold process soap, that will stay for a very long time. You can use that fragrance in any product. The fragrance will be strong.
From where we buy the fragrance for the cold process soaps ke liye?
You can get it in Vijay Impex. Vijay Impex website is there.
Whatever may be the product fragrance for the cold process soaps, we can use in any product, in the creams
Yeah.
or the lotions or any product.
Because it is fragrance oil only. So you can use for any product. The thing is, cold process soap fragrance oil will stay for a very long time.
Okay.
Yeah. And Archana for making baby bathing bar caustic. So baby bathing bar in the sense you can use the soap for kids above 8 years. So the lye basically what we are using, it will get evaporated within 2 months. That is why we are not using the soap for 2 months. We are leaving it open for 2 months for the caustic soda to evaporate so that you get a clear bar. You get a natural bar. It can be safe for even kids above 5 years. Better it is good to use for 8 years kids, because what you are getting Johnson baby soap or whatever soap you get in the market, even that has alcohol in it. still we are using for the kids. But the caustic soda that we are going to use, it will evaporate. It will leave the soap completely. So only natural oils will remain. So you can definitely use for kids. And almond oil, Dr. Poonam, almond oil, sweet almond oil. So, sweet almond oil, it is little costly. Normal almond oil also we can use. Sweet almond oil, it is like cold pressed oil. So it is little strong and it is little costly. So nut almond oil, anything can be used because it is cosmetics, right? So if you are using for a cream, it is going to stay on the face for a longer time. Then you can use sweet almond oil. If you are using for any other product like soap, then like cosmetic grade cheap almond oil is also okay because it is wash off product. And for soap, definitely use normal oil because it is going to wash off. It is going to go, it is not going to stay on the skin. But other products, cream and all, you can use cold press oil. And Gigi Matthew, so, super absorbent body lotion. Yes, you can use aloe vera powder also, hydrosol also. Anyways, you can use. That is completely up to you. And hyaluronic acid or niacinamide, that you can use the formulation which we have given in the advanced course. Don't follow the Indian course, Indian formulation. Don't use hyaluronic acid and niacinamide. You can follow the formulation in the advanced course. And
Hello. Hello.
yes, ma'am.
Yeah, madam. I'm Gigi Matthew.
Yes, ma'am.
Madam, but for body lotion, there is no body lotion using niacinamide or hyaluronic acid. Facial lotion is, of course, there. I have taken master's course, but I don't think so. There is any body lotion.
Okay, so you want to use for the
Yeah, body lotion. Yeah.
because Indian products has natural ingredients like aloe vera. So if you're using only hydrosol, in that case you can use up to 1 gram maximum. But if you're using real aloe vera, in that case you cannot use hyaluronic acid, niacinamide. It will not work. It will like fade away. All the effects will fade away. You'll not get the result from that. So if you're just going to use aloe vera powder, in that case, you can use 1 gram of these powders.
Okay. If I am not using aloe vera,
Actually, ma'am, when is the advanced class? Or what I want to do for that?
Ma'am, I'll share a number in the chat box. You can contact on that number.
hello.
And
Okay, ma'am. Okay.
so, Gigi Matthew, yes, you can continue.
Hello. Yeah. Yeah, ma'am. I want to ask if I'm not adding aloe vera gel, instead of that, can I add this hyaluronic acid and niacinamide?
Yes, yes. In that case, you can use. Don't use any natural ingredient with this hyaluronic acid and niacinamide.
Okay. Then the preservative also, ma'am. I made this body lotion using Iskagat pen. But,
Okay.
even after 3 months, it's okay. There's no problem.
So you have used aloe vera, real aloe vera in it.
Real aloe vera, 10% I have used. I've used Iskagat pen.
Okay, I think because of 10%, there is no problem, but still we have to give for testing and we have to check because we'll not know until that. But when we use methyl benzoate, it like 100% it is going to take proper care of the product. But other products, when we use natural ingredients, I'm not very sure. But below 10%, sometimes it works. So if it works for you, there is no foul smell, no problem, no changes, then you can definitely continue.
And ma'am, if I'm adding this phenoxyethanol and potassium sorbate,
Yeah, you have to use phenoxyethanol 0.5 ml, potassium sorbate 0.5 ml, and sodium benzoate 0.5 ml, all three together for
okay,
100
ma'am.
grams of product.
pH we have to test for potassium sorbate.
Not required, ma'am. Everything, it will fall under the pH only. If it is little higher or like below also, it will get normal within some time. It will change. So
And
once you can check, but not every time.
And ma'am, when we have to add potassium sorbate?
In the
Along with
last phase.
Oh.
When we add the preservatives, the same way. Any preservative you have to add in the last phase.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, thank you. So Somlata's smell of alcohol is coming from soap base, then you have to change the supplier, buy from the Pioneer. You'll not get the smell, and you that is why we are using the cold process fragrance oil, so that it will cut down the smell of the alcohol. And so for foaming, if you want to increase the foaming, either you have to increase CAPB or use SCI along with it. 5 grams of SCI, it will foam well. And so I think if everything is a problem, then the supplier is the issue. Try to change the supplier to Pioneer ingredients, because these formulations have been working for years together. There is no issue with it. And you can use castor oil instead of almond oil. Yes, you can use. And yes, you can use coconut oil in cold process. And some, Dr. Poonam, some brands making coconut milk shampoo, oat milk shampoo. They might say like they are using real milk in the shampoo. The thing is, it will curdle. When you heat the coconut milk, anyways, it is going to curdle. So only way is to add powder. But in India, we can claim anything. We can add coconut milk powder, we can add oat milk powder, we can add any powder. We can say that we have added real milk. But the thing is, it will curdle. And rice water shampoo, in the place of water, you can use rice water and you can make the shampoo. But you have to use methyl benzoate for preservation. So same way, same applies for face wash also.
How
And
to make a rice water, ma'am?
you boil the rice and you can make the rice water, or you can soak the rice and you can use that rice water also.
For
Both
how
ways.
much time we have to soak?
You can use like if you soak more than 8 hours, it will start to ferment. Maybe night you can soak it, morning you can use. That is the best way. More than that, it will ferment and the smell will start coming. So to stop
Okay.
fermentation, again we have to add methyl benzoate.
Okay.
Yeah. And
Hello, ma'am.
We can use the pure that rice water.
yes, you
But
can
we
use.
have to, it means that we have to soak rice water in the distilled water only, na? Rice in the distilled water.
No, normal water also you can use, because anyways, okay, you're going to soak it, then you can use distilled water. If you're going to boil it, then you can use normal, what we use for drinking. That was also is okay.
And then boiled water we can use for the face and that shampoo also.
Yes, you can use.
Okay.
Okay.
Hello, ma'am.
Hello.
I'm Somlata Rajput, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
मैम ये सोप बेस जो बनाया था हमने, वो क्लियर वाइट नहीं बना था, पियर्स जैसा कलर आया था उसका.
What color, ma'am?
पियर्स, येलो कलर.
No, ma'am, it will not happen. That is I think the problem is with the supplier you're getting the materials. Because as I said, everybody are making melt and pour soap. It will be very clear. It will not be like yellow color and all. I think the problem is with the supplier you're getting the ingredients. Once try getting ingredients with Pioneer ingredients, and the alcohol should also be clear alcohol. Everything that we are going to use is going to be clear only. We are not going to use any ingredient that is in yellow color. Then how can we get the soap base in yellow color? So the problem is some ingredient which you are using, if it is in yellow color, then you have to check with the supplier what is the issue with that ingredient, and you have to change it, because all the ingredient that we are going to use will be clear only here.
मैम सोप बेस में इसमें आलमंड ऑयल की जगह कैस्टर ऑयल इस्तेमाल कर सकते हैं मेल्ट एंड पोर में?
Yes, you can use, but you can use coconut oil at least. If you're using like castor oil, you cannot use more than 10 ml maximum.
Hello.
Yes.
Hello.
Yes.
Yeah, madam, I am in a perfumery class, madam.
Your
Hello,
name?
I'm perfumery class.
Okay, your
So
name?
Vishwanathan, but you're sending the cosmetic. I'm not interested in cosmetics.
So this is a common question answer session.
Okay, madam.
Yeah.
Ma'am,
So
I
the
want to ask you something, if I'm not interrupting.
Just a minute, ma'am. Yes, sir.
yeah, madam. So perfumery class when you'll start, madam? Because introduction, I listened to your introduction.
So
So
you can go to the classroom session. There is a place called like community you can see in the app and classroom you can see in the app. Right?
yeah, madam. Yeah.
Inside the classroom, you can see advanced perfumery diploma courses there. When you open
Yeah.
that, you can see the classes. One lesson will open every day.
So I opened one, madam. It's not opening the class.
First lesson will open, sir. So I
First
think we
lesson.
have given access to you today only.
Yeah.
So only first lesson will open. Tomorrow another lesson. 24 hours once one lesson will open, sir. Because it is
Yeah.
like a 20-30 days class. So
Yeah.
one lesson will open every 24 hours.
Yeah, madam. Where I'll get there's a good essential, pure essential oil, madam.
Vendor details we will be uploading, sir. Like once all the classes will open. So
Yeah.
gradually vendor details lesson will also open for you.
Yes. Okay. Thank you, madam.
Thank you.
हेलो
Yes, ma'am.
मैम, कोल्ड प्रोसेस सोप में हम कोकोनट ऑयल का ही टोटली बना सकते हैं बाकी ऑयल्स को छोड़कर?
Yes, ma'am. You can do that.
और उसका लाई वाटर जो है उसी मेजरमेंट से ही होगा?
Rest all the ingredients same measurement. Only instead of oils, all the oils you can use like if almond oil is 100 gram, you can take 100 gram of coconut oil. If another oil, olive oil is 100 gram, you can take 100 gram of coconut oil. In the place of all the oil, just add coconut oil. Rest all the ingredients should be same. And all the formula should be same only. It should not be different. Only the oils, all the ingredients, you can change it to coconut oil. Measurement should be same.
ओके मैम, 1 मिनट मैम. मेल्ट एंड पोर में मैडम हम दूसरे कलर के सोप्स भी बना सकते हैं बेस, जैसे नीम, एलोवेरा, रोज, लेवेंडर, इस टाइप से?
Yes, you can make.
तो
By
इसमें
changing.
कितना हमें क्या डालना होगा इसके लिए?
So instead of red wine, you can use rose extract, make rose soap. Instead of that, you can use some other extract, you can make that soap. Anything you can do. Change the ingredient, you can make the product.
जी, अच्छा बड़ा बैच बनाना है तो हमें वो डबल बॉयलर से ही काम करना होगा मैम?
Double. All the ingredients into 2.
और मेल्ट एंड पोर एंड कोल्ड प्रोसेस सोप का पीएच लेवल कैसे हम नापेंगे मैम?
Ma'am, soaps pH is not required, ma'am. It will keep changing. So you don't have to check the pH for soaps.
अच्छा मैम, इनको कितने समय तक रख सकते हैं सोप्स को?
Sorry, soap? I didn't get your question.
सोप बेस को कितने समय तक रख सकते हैं सेफ?
After making, how much time you can use, you're asking? I understand very less Hindi, ma'am. That is why.
मैं ये कहना चाह रही हूँ, कोल्ड प्रोसेस और मेल्ट एंड पोर सोप को बनाने के बाद कितने लंबे समय तक रख सकते हैं?
So after making the melt and pour soap, you can use after 24 hours itself. But cold process soap, you can use after 2 months.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah, thank you.
Rex, ma'am, I want to ask you one thing.
Yes.
I'm very new to this methyl benzoate. What is the exact percentage we have to use that in any formulation?
So 100 grams of product, 1 gram of preservative, ma'am.
That means 1%.
Yes, 1%.
And is it applicable for personal care also?
Yes, any product.
Okay, any personal care or face also, right?
Yes.
Okay, and ma'am, I started making lipsticks. Okay, but then what you have learned in your lipstick class, that is only we were using iron oxides and mica.
So the colors are very limited. Okay, when you play with it, it's very limited. So is there any more ingredients which is natural or near to natural that does a colorant we can use? Yeah, pigment.
Natural colors will, pigment will not be there, ma'am. Even beetroot powder you can try, but no
No,
pigment.
it oxidizes. It's oxidized. The color changes. And actually, recently I got something from a vendor that is paprika oleo resin. That is some 1 lakh CuOS is the name of it. Another one is copper chlorophyll, 5% of OS. So can we use it?
Depends, ma'am. I am not heard about it.
Okay.
Yeah.
They are claiming that we can go for
You
it
can
is
try
edible.
any product, you can try 5 grams, 10 grams, check
I
it.
don't want to try it, ma'am, because this is you are using for the lips, so it will be food grader or food
No,
graded.
you cannot use it on your lips. Just use it
Yeah.
on your palms. Try
Huh.
it. If not, if any allergic reaction, irritation, don't use it.
All right.
Okay.
Ma'am, is this perfume with you say natural perfume with essential oil? I'm very keen to do that. How to go about?
No, ma'am. We are using natural ingredients, natural extracts also, but certain ingredients, it will be a mix of chemicals also. That
But
is
not harmful.
not harmful. Nothing, none of the ingredients is harmful. But here we are teaching only luxury perfumes. So accordingly, the ingredients will be used, can be used for kids also, like kid-friendly perfumes only.
I would like to join that for the perfumes.
Okay, you can message on this number. I've shared it in the chat box. I'll share the webinar details. We have a webinar on Saturday.
All right.
Yeah.
Okay. Ma'am, I would like to go a little more, like use squalane in with some almond oil or the lipstick when we make. I would like to introduce squalane, olive squalane. So I think that can give like a silicone effect, like more of shining and slippery. So is it advisable? And if we are taking it, who should be the vendor?
Squalane is a very, very good ingredient, and I think I'll give you one vendor. You can message on this number. I think one of the vendor should be, I have to search, but I'll search and I'll give you.
But perfume one, if it is good, harmless perfume, I'm trying to do it with essential oil actually, but they are not long lasting. Since you're using the alcohol, so it evaporates very fast. So I'm really keen to do
Yeah,
that.
ma'am, we definitely have to use alcohol, but only using the essential oil or natural ingredient. We cannot make and use a professional perfume. Perfume has so many ingredients, like 15, 16 ingredients. It also has a fixative, it has an alcohol, it has so many things, so that we can the perfume will stay for like around 20 to 24 hours. So it is going to be professional perfumes, and in the perfume course, we are giving the kit also. First, you make the perfume, try the perfume, then you buy the ingredients and do it.
Okay, ma'am, is it a certified course that we can sell it professionally? We can have the license to sell it?
Perfume and all license is not a big thing. You can sell it with MSME only, not a thing. So,
Ma'am, it's actually I had a very good years. I think you begin to teach that time. I have joined your courses and I have done, but then I have achieved quite a lot. But then I'm not been able to sell it legally, and some inquiries have come, big inquiries, but not with the label and all. You have to have lot of all that license and the factory and all that. So can you help me with that?
So we have recently added multiple agency numbers. So this is all some fear mongering only. It is actually not a problem in India. We have very, very big brands without any license, without anything. People are selling the products. It is just fear mongering. Some people will say that you need license and all. But recently we have added multiple vendors who are helping to get the Ayush certificate is very easy. You don't need any factory or anything. Easily you can get the Ayush license and you can legally sell the products. We have given multiple agencies. If
Can
you
you
go
share
to the
Can you share the numbers again?
if you go to the classroom in school app, there is a module called as license. So there
Ma'am,
we have
actually, a
given.
long time I've not logged in. I don't even remember the,
Okay. So you have been using the school app?
No.
Okay, so I'm sharing a number, my team's number with you. You can WhatsApp to the number. They will send you
Okay.
the school app details.
All right, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Most welcome.
Ma'am, lip products. I want some vendor details because lip is very safe. That's why I'm not getting good mica. Please.
I'm not able to hear you. Multiple voice.
Hi, ma'am.
Yes.
Actually, I just wanted to know about the most advanced course. What is the difference between this and that? Because recently I've joined this course and I've bought materials about 10,000. So, what if I want to join the most
Not
advanced
able to
course?
hear anything. I'm sorry. Please mute yourself. I don't know whose voice is this. Yes, sorry.
Ma'am, yeah, I just wanted to know about the most advanced course and this course because recently I've joined this course and I've purchased many all the ingredients and all about 10,000. So I just wanted to know what is the difference? Is the material used in most advanced course is the same what we use in this? Because if I want to join.
So most advanced course has the like ingredients which have been used by doctors, recommended by doctors like niacinamide, hyaluronic acid, and other active ingredients. It is quite kind of different ingredients. Definitely, you'll have to buy those also. That will be, I mean, not everything is different. Some of the ingredients are different that you'll have to buy. Those are active ingredients.
Okay.
Yeah.
So what is the cost for a most advanced course?
Only most advanced course, it is 14,999, 15,000 rupees.
15,000. Okay. What if I want to join, ma'am?
So you'll have to message to this number 9047519066 or any number. Two numbers
Okay,
I've given.
what is the difference between the product difference, the results difference between
So
these and that? Huh.
Indian products usually take like 14 to 30 days to give the result. And these products from the first day itself, it starts working. This is the same product that doctors recommend, dermatologists use.
Okay, okay.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you. So let me complete the form, the questions in the form. And Gauri, melt and pour soap base already contain water and preservative. So adding a small amount of water-based extract still, you can add up to 5 ml, not more than that. And so basically, how to price the product based like what like we followed when we had the brand, we followed like Nykaa and other websites like Amazon, Flipkart. Compare the pricing. According to that, we can give the pricing. Another thing is how much you have invested for a product for one like 100 grams of product. What is the exact cost into 10? You can give the pricing. So basically the cosmetics is into 10 times profit. You can like pricing, you can keep up to 10 times. And Tisa, can I use Germal Plus as preservative? You can use Germal Plus as preservative when you use hydrosol, not when you use the real natural ingredients. And what lab test you have to do for the products? Lab testing, so if you are a doctor, you can do stability testing and preservative efficacy testing. Both of this testing you can do. And you have made a cream using licorice extract 3 ml water soluble. So, Ria, if you are a student of the most advanced course, you have to follow the cream, niacinamide and all 5 grams. You cannot use in a cream. That's all. Skin will burn. You cannot use so much of niacinamide in a product. So, when you use the active ingredients, there are so many ingredients that you have to, so many steps that you have to follow. That too, you cannot use natural ingredients just like that, and you cannot use niacinamide along with that. Skin will burn. So that is why that is what we are teaching in the most advanced course. And so Aisha, in today's world, how much videos we are putting, how much value we are giving for a product. So while making the product, we make a video and we share it. And while explaining what ingredients we are using, how much value we are going to give for the people who are watching the video, that is when people connect with you. Just when we make the video, we sell it for like we do the selling, then people don't get the it is just like selling. They do not get a good experience. They will not buy the product. First, you have to give the value. You have to explain about what ingredients you're using, what benefits you're getting, why you are using the ingredients. You really show the ingredient. You explain. You connect with the people. You give value. Then they buy the product. So now people sell through Instagram. People sell through YouTube, WhatsApp group. That is the main mode of selling. After that only, like you can have a website, you can have anything, but to connect with the customer, these are the 3 ways. Even what we follow is same through Instagram and Facebook. So we can only teach what we do, right? And so
Ma'am, can
question,
we use squalene oil for the lip balm also,
yes, definitely you can use.
as it is more shiny?
Squalene oil, yes, it is very moisturizing. Squalene, the main reason people use squalene, it is a international ingredient and it gives a lot of moisturization.
Okay. And for the lab test, ma'am, matlab we have to do that also, that bacterial growth test and fungal growth test. There are so many things for the testing in lab.
No, it is only microbial actions, or there is a test for preservative efficacy test, which will check if there is any kind of microbes are there or not. After you add the preservative, if there is any microbial growth, there is no like fungal or bacterial. You can see like preservative efficacy test. And
Okay.
another one is stability testing.
Okay. And what is the cost of that for one product?
Which product you're asking?
Any of the product, if we are going for the testing, preservative efficacy and stability test, what is the cost of it?
Here they charge 1,800 here in Hosur in Tamil Nadu. I don't know, like depends on the labs. You have to search for NABL labs in your place.
NAPL labs.
NABL.
Okay.
Yeah.
And Ayush certificate is sufficient for the selling the products in all over India.
Yes, yes. That is better. That is easy to get. And that is enough.
MSME is not sufficient.
With MSME, you can do. Only thing is like you are going to like grow your brand. You want to scale your brand, and you're going to do a lot of advertisement in television and all. That time you can get a lab testing done. I mean, you can get a like license and you can do it. But only within India, not you're not going to scale it much. Then you don't need anything. You can just sell it with the MSME. So
Okay.
there is
And
a
cost
separate session about that in license session in classroom. You can check that.
set license is not compulsory in India.
Like when you see legally, everybody will say it is compulsory. People who are into this license business, they will say it is compulsory because they want you to buy the license. But as I said, from 2012, we have been into cosmetics formulation. We have so many students who don't have any other certificate than MSME. They've been able to sell for more than 15 years. So I don't think it is a problem until like you scale the business to a very big level.
Okay. And from
Ma'am,
where we have to buy that non-dispersal liquid colors?
You will get it in Vijay Impex.
This is same mica colors and non-dispersal liquid colors. These all are same.
No. Non-dispersion liquid colors will the pigment will not stick on the skin. It is used in
Okay.
creams, gels everywhere. It will not stick on the skin. Mica will leave the pigmentation.
Okay.
ma'am, for lip colors,
Thank
I
you.
want one vendor number. Actually, I'm using, but not good, I think. That's why I'm
Which
please
vendor?
lip for lipstick and all I
Lipstick
want to.
colors you can get from SP suppliers. Vendor
SP.
details. SP suppliers. Vendor detail is there in the vendor lesson.
Okay, SP supplier.
Yes.
We can. Okay. Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah.
And from where we can buy that glass jars and everyone has the different rates for the glass jars.
That is what, ma'am. You can compare and you can get. We usually buy from Vijay Impex, but it is little costly. So you can compare whichever is convenient for you, you can get.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. I hope I have answered all your questions. Thank you, everyone. So
Lakshmi ma'am, one last.
Yeah.
Actually, I'm from a very, very old school of yours. So that time you taught us to make the extract with our own homegrown ingredients and then make the gel and all that. Okay. But after making aloe vera gel, by using Zandangam along with it, so I started getting all acne or whatever the irritation on my skin, especially on my face. The the other one, Carbopol, is okay, but then what should be the reason? Can we rectify this with the methyl benzoate?
No, sometimes aloe vera is not suitable for everyone.
Okay.
So it might be because of the like natural ingredients only. Other chemicals, it is the same. Like what we get is it is the same for years together. It does not do anything for the skin. When we use in the right that to 1 gram for 100 grams, it is not going to do anything. But if aloe vera gives irritation, aloe vera gives a lot of issues for many, not everyone. There are so many benefits with aloe vera, but for some people, it might not be the right ingredient.
But
Ma'am, what is the
other ingredients also homegrown, especially if you have a farm, organically grown. All this, especially for the lemon and all that, we can make the same way the extract and use it, right?
Yes,
It's
you
not
can do, but lemon, please don't use for the skin. Lemon will cause irritation.
okay. And example, I'm saying neem and so many other things which we
Yes.
can use in this beauty products. So, so extract the same way what we have learned, make it and use the percentage wise whatever we need and change the methyl benzoate into. We were using some other preservative actually. I think. So
Yeah, methyl benzoate you'll have to use.
Okay. Is
Ma'am,
it,
what is
can we claim it natural or organic when we use?
Yes, definitely you can.
Okay.
what is the formulation for the xanthan gum or guar gum?
That we do not use, ma'am. We do not use for professional cosmetic product.
Okay.
Yeah, that is for like
Carbomer is itself is natural. It's a synthetic, ma'am.
yes, but when you use only the recommended quantity, that is not a problem. It will not do anything for the skin. It has been used in all the products that we are using. So it will not do anything for the skin. So xanthan gum is going to give you a very sticky gel, which you cannot sell it. Maybe for personal use, you can add like 1 or 2 grams. That also like no fixed formulation for that. So you can use until it becomes a gel. You can use and use it for the face, but it that cannot be sold. That is not a market. You cannot sell it for a market-based product.
And so many companies are using Carbopol also, xanthan gum also, and so many humectants also. So
Every company has a different formulation. Everybody will have a different formulation. They will have multiple things.
Okay.
Yeah.
For water-based products, ma'am, only paraben it will work, or along with that one more preservative you told last time. I forgot that one. What is that, ma'am?
What is given in the formulation, along with that you can use methyl benzoate 1 gram. So what is there in the formulation? Sometimes Iscagard will be there. Along with that, you can use methyl benzoate.
Okay, 1 gram.
So other
Okay, ma'am.
questions I will answer next. I mean, after 2 weeks, we'll have a question answer session. I'll answer all your questions. If not, you can post in the community. I will answer the questions. Thank you, everyone. Thank you for joining today's session.